so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you.
Good morning, new day in Riga. Well, I would say day one, and all our plans failed, like extremely. You ask me why? Because we didn't expect the weather to be like this. And you know what? On top of that, I think it's still raining. Still raining. I think I've got my partner, also her, because I really need to be with people who have umbrella. Oh, isn't it selfish? Yes, it is, but she's my friend, so it works. Okay, so Agna, you wanted to vlog yesterday. Do you want to say something?
Hi guys, how are you?
She's always active on the cameras, you know. Ooh, there's something we just saw.
Mūsu kājām liels ceļš balts uz Latviju tas ved. Uz Latviju, kur naidnieks baigs par laukiem nāvisei. Mēs soļojam droši un lepni, un šautenes plecos ir mums, un senaju vārdu.
It's more than what you see. At first you struck me like any other girl that I could find. When you looked me in the eyes, I knew that this was right. You're a pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you.
Yeah.
From Germany.
Yes.
Good.
Tourism.
Tourism student.
Yes.
Okay.
We are doing a research over here.
Okay. Maybe you can use some of the information from the tour.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, but we already had the introduction to the tour. Yes. So it's around 2 hours. We walk the old town. Happily, it's not so cold as we
What?
thought.
It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. Oh my God.
Not so cold. It could be.
Okay.
It could be worse.
It could be more. Okay.
Yeah.
Then it's fine. Yeah.
So we will walk the old town, as we call it, and which once was a fortress. Yes. So there were walls around it, towers, gates, and a medieval city. Yes. But Riga was always a good location. It's not far from the sea. Dauga was a trading route, the river, and Riga was always port city. Trading was its main income. So sometimes that made Riga quite a wealthy city. In other times it brought some kings who wanted to rule here as well. Up until the end of World War I, Riga was part of Russian Empire, but then in 1918 Latvia was born as a new country, and now we Latvians had our own country for the first time. Yes.
And there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you. With you, with you, with you. Oh, with you, with you, with you. Oh, with you, with you, with you.
Center. Yes, I'm in the city center right now, and look at the view.
want to be. I know.
We're going on top of nothing. There's a party going on. So guys, whatever you do, never lose your tickets on a trip. Otherwise this will happen. Everybody has to wait.
The phone's okay, right?
Okay, so I hate them. Ignore them. Yeah, so
Your phone's too.
I'm gonna focus on Professor. Professor, how did you like Riga so far?
It's a very exciting place, full of interesting places, historical places. But in particular, it's a very wonderful crowd. I explore the city with.
And you also found a good beer bar for us.
Not so far, but hopefully this evening we will have a tour through different bars.
Perfect.
And I assume the students are well prepared in finding the best places in town.
Perfect. Perfect. Finals. Nice. Thank you. Oh, the weather. It's chilled. I mean, we are at the top. We can see Riga from here. Look, my hair are not doing justice to me, like at all. But don't let me look at the view that I'm gonna show you. I'm actually liking it. So we just got a picture of us clicked by this amazing guy. Thank you so much for this, by the way. You're doing a great job. And whenever you're in Riga, maybe you can find him and click pictures like this. You know, aesthetic old pictures. Do you want to say something? Yes.
Всем привет, ребята. Заместно я бравлер и
Alright, thank you. Let's go. Okay, and what do we have here? Do you know what is this?
You can walk up here by looking at the window.
Like, but what is the concept behind this?
See the trees are long. I've never been to the exhibition.
Okay. But this is crazy and creepy at the same time. Oh. Okay, let's go. Night time, so we came for some kind of bar hopping, you can say. And as you know that I love rock, so they have luckily picked up a place that I would love. So let's go.
If you can make that word, that'd be my guess.